Good morning, all of you. In today's lesson, we learn about accusative preposition in German language. Let's see. Accusative preposition. These all are the preposition we use with accusative. Durch, ohne, gegen, für, bis, entlang. And you can learn with this code dog few. D as in durch, O as in ohne, G as in gegen, für, bis, entlang. So, durch means through and by, ohne, without, gegen, against, around time and opposite of for. Für means for, by, opposite of gegen, around, at what time, bis, till, up to, entlang, along with. So these all are the 7 prepositions that we normally use with accusative case. Let's see. With this preposition we use accusative. Let's see with the example. Durch, through, by. Durch die Stadt, through the city. Durch einen Unfall, by an accident. Tom sieht das Fenster. Tom sees, Fenster is window. Tom sees through the window. So we see like this. Tom sees through the window. Von Frankreich nach England bin ich dash den Eurotunnel gefahren. From France to England I went to the Eurotunnel. This is a tunnel, I go through this. Durch. Ohne. Ohne means without. Without. Ohne Schirm, without umbrella. Ohne Grund, without a reason. Dash, angles shine. Fishing lessons darf man nicht angeln. Without fishing lessons, man is not allowed to fish. Ohne. Meinen Freund gehe ich nicht ins Kino. Ohne meinen Freund gehe ich nicht ins Kino. Without my friend, I don't go in cinema. Gegen, against. Gegen den Baum, against the tree. Normally we use in the case of accident, like this tree and our car comes like this and hit there. The gegen. Gegen den Plan, against the plan. Der Bus fährt gegen den Baum. The bus goes against the tree. Accident. Ich bin gegen den Plan. I am against your plan. It can be für den Plan, that means I am with your plan. That's why it's called gegen is the opposite of for. Für. Für, for, by, opposite of gegen. Für die Tante, for the auntie. Für 2 Wochen, for 2 weeks. Ziel. Here sind Blumen. Here are Blumen, flowers. Für dich, for you. Ein Shampoo für schöne Haare. A shampoo for beautiful hair. Around. Den Tisch. This is the dish, suppose. Like this. And den Tisch is around the table. 8 Uhr, particular time, fixed time at 18 o'clock. The machine started 12 Uhr at 12 o'clock. Wir sitzen alle, we all sit, den Esstisch around. Around the rounded dining table. Bis, till, up to, by, then. Side. Bis morgen, see you tomorrow. Till tomorrow. Bis nächste Woche, see you next week. Till next week. Bis München, till München. Ich muss heute, I must today, bis 7 Uhr arbeiten. Till 7 o'clock walk. Bis. Der Zug fährt, bis Delhi. The train goes till Delhi. Till here, till 7 o'clock, till. Entlang. Normally entlang come at the end of the sentence. Ich gehe den Fluss Spazierien. Spazierien is you can say separable. That's why it comes there at the end. Otherwise entlang goes at the end. Ich gehe den Fluss after the noun entlang. This is the Fluss is like this, and we are going here. We are going here. Fluss is here, alongside the fluss. So today we learn about accusative preposition, dog, fugue. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write us. Have a nice day.